ever paused to ponder the design of your current home? Have you entertained the idea of redesigning it, donning the hat of a professional interior designer? Then this guide is for you. First and foremost, defining your style and goals is crucial. Ask yourself, what is your personal style? Is it modern, minimalist, traditional, eclectic, or something else entirely? What are your design goals? Perhaps you want to create a cozy living room, an efficient home office, or a tranquil bedroom. Next, shift your focus to space planning. Analyze the layout of your home and create a floor plan that optimizes the use of space. Strategically place furniture to ensure a smooth traffic flow and maximize the available space. Now, let's talk color. Your chosen color palette sets the mood for each room. Take into account the psychological effects of colors and how they interact with lighting and decor. Furniture selection, a crucial step, is next. Choose pieces that complement your style, are appropriately scaled for the space, and provide the desired comfort and functionality. Don't shy away from mixing and matching different pieces for a well-balanced look. Lighting design plays a pivotal role in creating the right atmosphere. Utilize a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to highlight focal points and ensure well-lit, functional spaces. Next, consider the texture and materials. Incorporate a variety of textures and materials such as wood, metal, glass, textiles, and ceramics to add depth and interest to your decor. Then, it's time for decor and accessories. Choose decorative items like artwork, cushions, rugs, and plants to enhance the aesthetics of your rooms. Remember, balance and symmetry in your arrangements are key. Window treatments are more than just privacy providers. The right curtains, blinds, or shades can complement the room's design and lighting needs. Next, consider wall treatments. Wallpapers, paint, and wall textures can significantly impact a room's ambiance. Choose treatments that align with your design vision. Don't forget about storage solutions. Your design must include adequate storage options to keep your space organized and clutter-free. Lastly, add a dash of personalization. Incorporate personal touches like family photos, heirlooms, or custom-made pieces that reflect your personality and make your home uniquely yours. In conclusion, designing a home like an interior designer involves a thoughtful blend of aesthetics, functionality, and personal preferences. It's about defining your style, planning your space, selecting the right furniture, lighting, textures, and materials, and adding personal touches. It's about creating a home that's not only beautiful, but also functional and uniquely yours. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and it's designed